Hello everybody and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. We are now on to sensor number 2 of our kit series of 36 sensors. So the next sensor which we've got lined up here is the flame sensor. As you can see, I've got it set up here, got it powered up onto the Arduino, and I'm feeding the signals into the Arduino. There's an analog out and there's a digital out. So it uses infrared. There's a sensor over there. Right. It's got a pot for the infrared sensitivity adjustment. And then the infrared sensor. So if I introduce a flame, the light comes on. Alright, got our circuit up on the screen. Let's have a look at it. There's the IR receiver diode, which is this guy over here. We've got our comparator. They're using only one on the chip. And that's the chip over there. We've got our output LED, the green one. That's that one over there. So that's the one that flashes, indicating that we've got IR present. Over there, that's the red LED and the current limiting resistor for it. Same on the output. Got the LED and the current limiting resistor. So the output of that pulls low when it's in the active status. Current flows through the LED. When that's inactive, that resistor then pulls the output higher again, and no current flows through the resistor. So the connections are 5 volts in, ground, digital output, and the analog output 0. So that's the circuit of the thing, very simple. And that concludes the talk on sensor number 2 on the series of 36 sensors. Hope you enjoyed it, found it interesting, learned something. Please like, subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. I appreciate your support. Thanks for being here, and have a wonderful day further. Cheers.